Welcome to the adventures of Peppa, the super friendly magpie. In this action-packed episode, be amazed by this freak of friendly nature. Let's see a bird up here on the ground. Let's see if he or she's okay. Yeah, how are you? Hey? You okay? Oh, Peppa! She's having a sunbathe. Hey? Hey? Hey, that's alright. Oh, okay. It's Peppa! Having a friendly sunbake. Oh, I didn't know what you're doing on the ground there. Hey? What have you been up to? Family food? Huh? That's very interesting. You want to talk to the viewers? For you? Hey? You go back to your sunspot, are you? Just a bit of... Oh, okay. Fair enough. Sorry to interrupt you there. I'll let you get back to your sunbathing. You're coming to the house. Hello, is it you, Peppa? It is. How are you? Oh, okay. What have you been up to? I know you've been sunbaking. Anything else? Wow, you gonna be friendly today? Oh yes. Oh yes. Wow. Wow, well, well. Oh yeah, that's a jumper. It's getting cold now, isn't it? Because we've got winter coming, and you're going to have to find somewhere warm to stay. Think you'll be able to do that? You can't keep coming to the house. We can't have you in here. Hey, you gonna go? I think Peppa's admiring all those little toy trains. What is that up there? What are those two birds doing? What is that? Is that a little love nest? Is that you, Peppa? Are they fighting or are they loving? I don't know what's going on around here, but the birds have gone crazy. What are the birds doing laying on the ground? Oh, having a little scrap. Oh, you're gonna have another go? Oh no. Oh, they're just playing around. Playing around in young love. Oh, having a few seeds. They look lovely. Okay. Now that's what you're eating. Is that your normal food? Oh, okay. Yeah, Peppa. How are you? How are you? You well? You've been having lots of fun in the backyard, haven't you? Hey? Oh, you still like my hand? That's still there. Oh, you're getting quite strong there, Peppa. Don't know how much longer we're gonna play like this. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh, that is ouch. That is hurting, Peppa. I know it's a sign of affection, but it's starting to get a bit rough. Been having fun? I think you have. Yep, that's a hand. Oh. Oh, it's upside down. You like to go upside down, do you? Well. Hello, Peppa. Upside down bird in the hand is worth how many in the bush? Hey? An upside down bird in the hand, I think it's worth heaps in the bush, don't you? For a wild bird, you amaze me. Hey? Have a lovely day. Whoa! Oh, back into the food. Sorry I interrupted you there. Well, I'll try and point out the rest of the family. There's the mother or father. They're the two youngsters. One of them is Peppa. And there's another adult here. Don't know if any of you like hot chilies. So look at this tree, loaded with chili goodness. The other crazy thing I've got going here at Choco's. Remember the days you used to go to McDonald's and say, can I please have a Choco pie? Oops, I mean apple pie. Ah yes, the good old days. Tell you the truth here, I can't stand them. But there's someone in the family who loves them. Leo's camera's rolling. 5, 3, 2, 1.